Welcome back to another tutorial, guys, and today we're gonna learn how to do your Gateio crypto taxes really fast and easily. We will go over how to export to CSV and also how to create the API connection to a software like CoinTracking to then generate your tax report. So let's dive in straight into the computer. We're going to export the CSV from Gateio, the transaction history, and you can do that by watching this video, or in CoinTracking, for example, there is a written guide how to do the whole thing. If you go to Gate and then click on the exchange Gateio, if you click CSV import, then you will see all the steps you need to do to get the CSV export. I like to click here on the link, then we get to the right side on Gateio and we don't have to do any of the searching. If there are any limitations with the importer, then you will see that here. And the problem with Gateio right now is that they only allow exports up to 30 days. So if you are trading on Gateio regularly and for a longer period of time, then you have to do multiple exports. I know that we did some trading in May, so I'm going to go to May, click the first one and the 30th one, and then we'll see our transactions, and then simply click download on the right top side, and you will have your transactions in your download folder. Then we go back to CoinTracking, and then it's very easy to import it. Just choose the file, click the downloaded file, continue to import, and then you will see all your transactions which you have done on Gateio. Simply click Start Import, and then with a green big check mark, you will see that the import has been done successfully, and that's all you have to do to import or to export the CSV file from Gateio and then import it into CoinTracking to do your crypto taxes. To generate your API key for Gateio, we are going to use the help of CoinTracking, because here you will have a written guide how to do the whole thing and a correct link to the correct page in Gateio. So we will go to Imports, go to Quick Access, type in Gate, then we'll find Gateio. And then you will see for the API, you will see the instructions, how to do the whole thing, if there are any restrictions for the API. And all we have to do is go on the link, click on it, and then the correct site for Gateio will open up in the next tab. And we can now generate a new API key. We'll see if we have created API keys in the past, but we will not copy that. Now we can create our API key. And for the API key remark, it's a remark to help identify and remember the key. We're just going to type in CoinTracking, so we know which API key is for what in case you use multiples. Then the bind IP, we don't need that. We can disable that. API key, we leave it as it is. And then for the permissions, we take all the permissions, and it's important that it's only the read-only option, because we don't need for CoinTracking any write options. We will not do any automatic trading, anything. CoinTracking only needs the transaction store, pull it from Gateio and import it into CoinTracking. So let's select every single option, then choose it to read only. And once we verified all the settings, then we click Submit. We have to agree to all of those, and I accept. Then we need to type in our fund password, the Google Authenticator, and the email verification, and then we finally get the API key and secret. Once you have inserted the fund password, the Google Authenticator code, and the email verification, then we can click Confirm, and a new window will open up with our API key. Here we can just copy the API key, go back to CoinTracking, insert the API key, then go back and then copy the API secret, go back to CoinTracking, paste in the secret. Then we have some more options here. We will leave it as it is, and then save this API job. And then it will take 1 or 2 seconds until the connection is established, and we will see a big green check mark, job is saved. If we scroll down, then again, we see that we have a running Gateio job, and it will take up to 30 minutes to import all the transaction into your account, and then you are ready to move on. Once all the transactions are in your account, and please make sure that all the exchange transactions and all the different wallets you used in the past are in your account, and that you validated your account for all the errors and fix all the errors with the help of our reports, and only then you can move on to the tax report. Otherwise you will have errors in the tax report. So go to the tax report, click tax report, and on this page you will have to select your country. If you select your country, then you will have pre-selected all our recommended settings and you don't have to do anything in here unless you want to customize your report. But again, we have pre-selected the recommended settings for you. In our case, it is Germany, and we simply scroll down and click Generate a new tax report now. Within seconds, as you see, we have our tax report, and you will see your first numbers here. And then if you click Load Report, you will see a more detailed calculation of all the numbers. You can scroll down and see everything in very detail, but we will not do that now. We just simply click Download Tax Report. For here, we'll see some more options for the export. Also, you have the option to export as PDF or Excel, and then you have your tax report generated. If you have any open questions, please leave them down in the comments below. And if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.